Hello, my name is Dr. Brown with American Sleep Dentistry. I, along with other dentists at American Sleep Dentistry, have fit thousands of patients with sleep appliances, helping them attain a better night's sleep without the use of a CPAP. Using your sleep appliance is extremely easy and is done in the comfort of your home. Let's review how to use your sleep appliance with the American Sleep Dentistry telehealth app installed on your phone.
After taking an impression of your teeth, American Sleep Dentistry's dental lab will fabricate your sleep appliance and mail it to you. Open the package that was mailed to you. Your package includes an instruction card, titrating wrench, and a retainer box with your sleep appliance inside. Take the sleep appliance out of the retainer box. The sleep appliance consists of an upper tray and a lower tray. The upper tray and lower tray are connected by a stainless steel part that allows the lower tray to adjust forward and backwards. The appliance is pre-adjusted with your lower jaw advanced 3 millimeters. The appliance does not allow the lower jaw to retract more than the advanced position of 3 millimeters. However, the appliance allows your lower jaw to advance from 3 millimeters forward and side to side. This allows your lower jaw freedom to move while you sleep, eliminating lockjaw. To adjust your sleep appliance is simple. Grab the appliance in one hand and the adjusting wrench in the other hand. On the side of the sleep appliance, you'll find a hole. Put the adjusting wrench in this hole and engage it with the screw inside. Once it is engaged, turn the adjusting wrench clockwise 360 degrees twice. On the opposite side of the sleep appliance, there's a similar hole. Repeat the steps explained on the other side. This will advance the lower jaw 1 millimeter. To retract the lower jaw, repeat these same steps, except turn the adjusting wrench counterclockwise 360 degrees twice on both sides. Make sure to turn both sides equally. Using your sleep appliance is extremely easy. Before you fall asleep each night, wear your sleep appliance. It takes 1 to 2 weeks to adapt to sleeping with your sleep appliance. After a week of use, if you feel you're not getting the results you desire, adjust the lower jaw forward. If you find that the sleep appliance advances the lower jaw forward too much, adjust the sleep appliance back. In the mornings, your bite may feel off. After removing your sleep appliance, simply chew on gum for a couple of minutes. This will bring your jaw back into normal position. To know if your sleep appliance is working, you can do one of 3 things. 1. You should feel more alert and not as tired during the day. 2. If you sleep with a significant other, ask them if they hear you stop breathing at night. This is different than snoring. Snoring is a sound like this. Stop breathing is when you snore, hold your breath, then gasp for air, like this. If you stop breathing, apnea is occurring and you should advance the lower jaw forward. 3. Download a snore app on your smartphone that will record your snoring. An app like Snore Lab works great. It indicates if you snore less or more. If you snore less, the sleep appliance is working. To clean the sleep appliance, take a toothbrush and scrub your sleep appliance with an antibacterial soap. Then rinse it with cold water. Do not use toothpaste or mouthwash. Toothpaste or mouthwash will discolor the sleep appliance. After cleaning the sleep appliance, dry the sleep appliance off with a towel and put it in the retainer box and stow away. Be careful if you have a dog. Dogs love sleep appliances, and if you keep your sleep appliance out, your dog will chew on it and destroy it.
We just reviewed how to use your sleep appliance. Always know that we are here to help you. If you ever need help with your sleep appliance, give us a call at 1-800-555-1518 and we will gladly assist you. American Sleep Dentistry is committed to providing you with the best sleep appliance and best experience, resulting in a good night's sleep. To begin this simple process, fill out your name and phone number and click Submit. One of our assistants will arrange a free telehealth appointment with one of America's Sleep Dentistry sleep dentists to verify if you are a candidate for a sleep appliance. Once again, thank you.